Low 727, customer Spung. This is a detailed video for store stock cabinets, diamond. So we've come across a few things today that we want to make adjustments on. First things first is the pantry here, the 24-inch pantry. We want to put an 1.5 inch filler and a scribe molding down the left-hand side. Full overlay door design does not need to go against the wall. The hinge on that one in the drawing shows right hinge. That needs to be a left hinge so that it will open away from the work area here. Then we got 24, 30, 24. That's going to only leave about 34.5 inches of space for a refrigerator, but they do not want a side-by-side. They're always said they're going to always want a top freezer for a refrigerator like the one you see. So no issues as far as the opening goes. They don't want a cabinet above it either. They just want to have this bank of cabinets and the countertop associated with that side. They're doing a solid surfacing countertop. So with that countertop choice, there's going to be a couple things that we need to know about the bar area here. I'll get to that in just a minute. On this wall, Lazy Susan corner, we're going to need 2 befores. We're going to need two 2x4x8s, item number 6005 for the back of that. For the countertop to sit on, we're going to also need a dishwasher in panel. Do you see how this panel is done here? That's exactly what we need. You have to have something to set the countertop on. You can't push an appliance right up against a Lazy Susan. You need that 3-inch panel right there to make that happen. So that's going to be a corner wall cabinet of 15 now instead of a 12, and a 30-12 above the stove. Now, microwave, over-the-range microwave, 16.5 inches tall. So that is going to have a gap back here behind this. What we've done in the past is we've actually taken taken a dishwasher in panel, cut that dishwasher in panel down to 12 inches deep and 1.5 inches wide. After the microwave is installed, we actually take the measurement from the top of the cabinet box to the bottom of the microwave, and we actually cut that panel off and add it to that on the end, so you can't see that ugly where the microwave is hung on the wall. So that would be 2 end panels, one here on the right of this, a dishwasher end panel, and then one here for the countertop. Now the sink base here, we don't want a sink base. These sink bases don't travel well. We would rather have this to be a base 36 and let us convert it to a sink base, and that because it has a back in it. Customer is actually redoing all of these walls. If they paint and finish the walls, the color of the wall will be in the back of that cabinet. So we definitely want that cabinet to have a back in it. When you open the doors, it has a matching to what all the rest of the cabinets have. Now the change on this side is the same, base 15 and 1-inch filler, wall cabinets above as needed. On this side though, we're looking at a drawer base 24. We're going to get rid of the Lazy Susan in the design. Going to put a drawer base 24 here. Going to put a 3-inch by 3-inch filler for the corner as a transition. If you can order a 6, it'd be much better to have a 6 on one side, but we can make that happen with 2 3s. And then the base 36 here as the cabinet line. So a base 36. That's going to make all of this about 63 inches, which is about 9 inches longer than you have originally. But that's going to put you over here on this side of the bar with 2 30s. And because of full overlay door design, that box has to have a 3-inch filler beside of it. So that's going to be 63 overall. It'll be base 30, 3-inch filler. That way the full overlay door doesn't rub the wall when you open and close the back of that. Now here, and also it's getting close to the window, so we don't have any problems with any window interference. Now here on the end, you're going to have an end panel that we need. It's going to have to be a 48 end panel. We're going to put the 2 cabinets together with a seam in the center. We're going to add that end panel behind the reveal on the left and right hand side to create a finished end where it looks like it's all one piece. We'll need quarter round because they actually have a floating floor system. And then we'll need at least 4 pieces of scribe molding. That's 1 here for the end, 1 here for those, 1 on the end of that, and 1 there on that. So at least 4 pieces of scribe molding will be needed to complete the installation. If you have any questions about this one, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a good day.